Alright, haven't ran this thing in weeks, so a nice little cold start should be easy peasy. Nice little few pumps, and it appears to be that battery might be low. Who would have thought? Well, yeah. You got your... Oh, God damn it. This was not a part of the plan. All right. First try. All right. First try, you know, something light. Easy, like I said, first try. All right, so today I decided it's been a pretty decent amount of time since I drove the Camaro, mostly because it's winter time, so I don't really want to drive this when it's wet, snowing of course, or just when it's freezing cold, because this thing takes forever to warm up and ready to go and all that stuff. On top of, obviously, I didn't even know, but the battery was dead. I guess I should have at least started it more often, but what are you gonna do? Just jumped it up. It's, I mean, you know, it's been below freezing at least for like a week straight, a week back. So, you know, that stuff's bound to happen. And while I had the hood open, I saw some coolant just sitting on the intake. But, you know, these things happen when stuff, when all these old hoses go below freezing. It's not super uncommon for them to leak a little bit because, you know, they contract when it's cold, and it happens. But I still have coolant in. We're all good, ready to roll as we are rolling right now. But on top of that, I will pull over somewhere just to update you guys on what's new with the Camaro. My first and only video on this channel was just me explaining everything I've done to the Camaro, and you know, showed a little bit of my progress when I was doing those things. And then I never made a video that entire year, so that's pretty embarrassing. But I mean, I didn't really do much. I recently bought a Civic hatch, so I kind of just been toying around with that a little bit. I've been neglecting this car. I can't lie. I have been neglecting this car. But, you know, sometimes it's in with the new and out with the old. But we're back. I feel like this year is going to be a big year for the Camaro and its projects. I do plan on painting it. Not sure if I'm going to paint it myself because, one, I don't have a garage, 2, I'm not a professional, and 3, I think the combination of those two things would make the paint job look really bad. but at least I can try. So I might do that, or if I find a really good person to give me a good price on painting it, I might go with them. So we'll have to see. I'm just not really digging the whole matte white anymore, especially, I mean, I only spent $200 on this paint. I just went to AutoZone and I bought like $200 worth of fucking matte white spray paint, and I just went crazy. I sanded it down, sprayed the paint, and that was it. I mean, I didn't really even do a whole layer of primer because the paint said it had primer in it. But still, it's no professional paint job. There's starting to be surface rust because I didn't do enough layers, and I mean, surface rust isn't that big of a deal. When I sanded it all down to do the white, there wasn't really any rust holes, there wasn't rust craters. The only thing was near the driver's door, there was holes, there was rust holes. I can't lie. I mean, it's a 1984 car. What do you want from it? But I bonzoed that up. It's coming back a little bit, I can't lie, so I'm gonna have to patch that up again. Maybe if I'm feeling like I actually want to do the right thing, maybe I'll get some scrap metal and bada bing bada boom, fill it in. But we'll have to see when the time comes to it. Other than that, so I want to paint it blue, I think. I'm pretty sure. Black would be nice, but black shows a lot, and especially if I end up painting it myself, I feel like there's a better chance of the blue coming out better than black, because black can show all your mistakes. From what I know, again, I'm no professional painter, but I've seen a lot of videos, and that's what I've kind of got to learn, I guess. But yeah, I'm thinking about a blue. I might keep my side mirrors and my spoiler black. I think that adds like a nice little contrast, so I'll do that. Other than that, today, I think I'm going to change the armrest. I'll show you guys when I'm parked, but this armrest is just, it's horrible. There's a hole like right in the middle of it. It's covered by this, the previous owner put on this, like, kind of like vinyl, leatherish, kind of like, just fabric over it just to cover it. I mean, it does the job. You can't really tell it's bad, but I bought a new one. I bought a new armrest, plus this thing's squeaky, so I might have to fix up the or WD-40 it a little bit and see how it goes. But, you know, start the year off with just tiny projects. I also did buy a whole weather stripping set. But I think I'm gonna wait until I go about painting the car to put those on, because I don't really think it's a smart idea to put all new weather stripping on and then go around to painting and having to take it off again. I just think that's a little dumb. So there's that. So it's the armrest, weather stripping, paint, and I don't know. From there, I know after the video I did last year, I did add this dash pad. It's not like an actual replacement, but it's a cover. I mean, that's really what it is. It's just a plastic cover. All I did was take the original one. The original dashboard had the same kind of fabric that's on the armrest. Again, it did the job, you know, it didn't look terrible, but when you actually felt it and you actually like look really close, you could see the cracking through it. So I just decided to take that off, keep my original dash pad, it was terrible, but I just sanded it down so it's all smooth, still cracked as all hell, but smooth. And I just bought this, and so this is just really nice and flush over it, and I think it looks good. It doesn't really rattle or anything. The only thing that rattles in here is this plastic piece for the door. Gotta fix that, of course. Gotta fix the speedometer. Speedometer still doesn't work. I replaced the speedometer cable. I replaced the speedometer itself before. I replaced the speedometer cable. So I unfortunately think the only thing that's left to do after that is simply just replacing the speedometer gear, which that sucks. I really was not looking forward to that, but if I gotta do it, I gotta do it. Alright, so here we are. I parked in a parking lot. Let me show you guys what's been happening to this Camaro since the last time I made a video. First off, I really got to point out, look at like this paint. Again, this is just like $200 worth of AutoZone paint that I just did, because before it was just even worse than this. But over the course of the winter and everything, it's just like, I mean, what is that, bro? Like, and then all the surface rust. I'm a bad owner, I guess. I mean, this is terrible. I still never painted up here. I think I'm just gonna go straight to getting a full paint job. I'm not even gonna try. Same thing with the trunk. I mean, it's getting pretty bad. I mean, the peeling over here. But other than the paint, I mean, it's a 40-year-old car. What do you want from it, right? So I will show you guys the new dash pad I put in. So I think it fits really well. It's just really smooth. I kind of made this hole a little bigger for the vents here, but you can't really tell. So what I was talking about earlier is you could tell me pushing in right there how it goes in. There's a nice, I could just feel it crack going along there. It's back here. And the previous owner put on this this vinyl type material. Obviously, bro just really stapled it on all around. But hey, I guess it got the job done, because it's been cruising. But I'm gonna replace this today, and it squeaks, so I will be fixing that squeak, and I think it'll look really good. I really just need to stop prioritizing the interior. I mean, a little dirty, but the interior looks really good, and the exterior, yeah, I mean, not so much. But one thing at a time. I'm not a millionaire, so let's get cooking. What's up, guys? I am in editing right now. I'm going to add fixing the armrest in a second video after this, just because I don't want the video to get way too long and bore you guys. But welcome back to the Camaro project. I'm going to be having videos posted for the Camaro at least every other week. I got a few videos already lined up, fixing the roof, the doors, painting, weather stripping. I got all that stuff lined up, but I just wanted to get this old video I had from way in the beginning of the year out. But with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video, and welcome back to the Camaro project.